All right, now we're down to our third construction, which is a perpendicular from a point on a line. Okay, so we want to do a perpendicular from a point that's already on the line. So what's different this time from our last one is we've got this line, just like we did before. But last time we had the point that we were going to draw the perpendicular through off the line like this. Well, in this case, I'm going to put the point, I'm going to change the color so it stands out here. I'm going to put the point somewhere on the line. It can really be anywhere. It can be here, it can be there. I'm going to put it close to the middle, but not in the middle here. And technically, since a line has infinite length, it can be argued a line has no middle. That's a mind-boggling concept. So I'm going to label this point P. And we're going to do this construction here. So here are the steps. Take your compass, I'm going to put the point on point P and set the compass any convenient size. You can draw a full circle if you want. Ooh, that was weird. Okay. Wow, okay. Or you can draw a mark on either side. I'm going to draw a mark on either side, okay? And I'm going to label the intersection points A and B, just like we did before. Very similar to what we did before. Now what's different now, though, is when I put my compass point on point A, I can't leave it the same size. I can't. We didn't change on the last construction, but this time, if I leave it this size, it's going to, both arcs are going to go through P, and as you'll see, it won't work. This is the perpendicular bisector construction you learned earlier. So I'm going to open the compass some convenient size. I'm going to draw a nice sweeping arc that reaches above and below the line. And then I'm going to, without changing the compass size, put it on point B. And I'm going to draw another sweeping arc. And notice these two arcs cross each other twice. I'm going to label this point C and this point D. Okay, I realize I didn't do this on the last video. Okay, but I now want to I want to outline the steps is what I was thinking, but I actually have one more step. Line up your straight edge on point C. Remember, 2 unique points determine a unique line. It takes 2 points to determine a line. So draw a line through C and D, and notice it goes through point P as well. Okay, I'm going to label the line T. Okay, and we'll label the line that we started with L. And let's outline the steps. Step 1 was to make a mark equal distance on both sides of P. So use your compass to make a mark, an arc, equidistant both sides of P. Step 2 is to draw an arc at A that is bigger. It's got to be big enough so that these two will intersect twice. Okay? And then 3, copy that same arc. So it has to be the same arc. Copy the same arc to B. Okay? And then 4, draw a line through the intersecting points, in this case, CD. Okay. So that's it. That's all you got to do.